Well, guess what we have? Brake hoses. Now what is interesting is that these two are coming from a Morris, a pre-war Morris. It's something before Morris Minor model, for example, and they have the similar brake hoses like the Talbot. What, everything what's inside here? That's dirty.
Yeah.
Next, we clean the hub. I think this one is the first cleaner in a long time. Well, everything it's working a long time on this car. Well, there is some, I think it's the paint on the inside that is coming off. I need my wire brush a little bit. This interesting.
Right.
Yeah, that's a good one. No, here's where they missed. Yep. And here they missed the hammer.
Gearbox. But, you know.
Yeah, this means we did a good job.
So, the chassis points here.
And how much truck wash? We definitely need some more truck wash, don't we?
We've got 10 litres.
Okay. Right, now I need to move this from the way and I need to reverse it all the way there. And I'm not very good at reversing with a trailer. I can say I'm terrible at it. Okay, all I'm asking is don't laugh, okay?
And see what happens.
Nothing. Let's try. Slightly complicated. First gear, reverse. God help me. almost there. My partner came out to enjoy the show. Well, the trailer is where it's supposed to, but my tractor is like that. Well, that's where I wanted the trailer, but okay, I'll try. No, straight. Good enough. Oh. Good enough? Oh, you're good boy. We need to restore this as well. Oh, should I'll take the key. Oh. It is where it's supposed to be, but
The rest of it looks...
it's a dodgy parking.
Just turn the key.
Nothing coming out? Oh, here you go. So what do you think, this has been sprayed, or look how clear is this line? Or with the, not with a brush, with the brush? Maybe with the brush.
I don't know.
This is heavy. So here has a little, what is called this slope. So I think we're gonna put it here. Not sure, I'm gonna ask the master. But now I'm thinking to take a broom and just to get rid of all that dirt from there. I'm thinking here because it's like this anyway, no?
Yeah, okay.
And to push.
Just.
Oh God! Stop! Oh fuck! Can you stop it?
Killing me. Right, it is stopped.
Still rolling.
Shit.
God. Yeah, we need to push it back.
We use a telehandler for that, I think.
Can you put that thing on the wheel? I think it's on this side better. That was close to... Ah, not very close, but...
Well, it would have been very good, would it? It crashed it into our own tree.
Do you think we have any chance to try to push it back? No. You can try, but...
Handle. there and
Ah.
put a bit of wood.
I think this telehandler is actually good for everything. We have nothing on the back to put any rope or whatever.
Now, inching forwards. Oh, that's a good way of doing it. More, a bit more. 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 Right. You are now connected with the car.
Yeah, I'm pushing it. You see the thing is moving. It's sliding on the bumper.
No, it slipped out now.
I see.
Hang on.
Let's put something on the wheel.
More.
A fraction more, okay.
Just to get the wheel on that.
And I don't think this has been damaged, no? It's
I
quite
hope
soft.
not. We'll see in a minute.
We'll see. Okay.
The fact that you're doing it very, very gently.
Well, yeah, with that, with acceleration, you can't be very, very precise, but with that thing,
Yeah.
okay, guys, I don't know. What do you think? Was a good idea where it's a bulge and something savage? We haven't done any damage on the car, as you see, so it's fine. Oh, except for here, you see it's a little dent. Oh well. We try our best. So if you haven't subscribed already, then hit that subscribe button, and we're gonna try next to put some ramps. Here you see, just went on this. Is quite a heavy car, so this is a very strong power jet, so we're gonna try to clean it underneath with this, but it's breaking your arm if you're not careful. So now should we start with this one? start with the other one.
Start with the other one.
Okay.
I think so.
Well, that was the video for today, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Next, we need to clean it underneath. So, you know what that means, right? We're gonna get dirty. So if you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe, because it's really gonna help me to grow up this channel. And if you love classic cars just like me, then I will see you in the next video. Take care.